Do you want to sound like a pro on your next camping trip? Today, I'm sharing 100 essential camping words and phrases that most learners miss. Stay until the end for expert tips that will change how you speak in the wild. Let's dive in. Tent. Tent. We pitch the tent near water. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. This sleeping bag is very light. Campfire. Campfire. Keep the campfire small and safe. Backpack. Backpack. Pack only the essential items tonight. Hiking. Hiking. These hiking trails are quite steep. Compass. Compass. A compass helps you stay on track. Flashlight. Flashlight. Switch on your flashlight now. Lantern. Lantern. Hang the lantern on a branch. Hammock. Hammock. I fell asleep in the hammock. Raincoat. Raincoat. Always bring a yellow raincoat. First aid kit. First aid kit. Keep a first aid kit nearby. Insect repellent. Insect repellent. Use insect repellent in the woods. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Put on sunscreen before the hike. Binoculars. Binoculars. Look at birds through the binoculars. Cooler. Cooler. Put the drinks in the cooler. Map. Map. Look at the map for directions. Whistle. Whistle. Carry a whistle for your safety. Pocket knife. Pocket knife. This pocket knife is very sharp. Matches. Matches. Store matches in a dry box. Firewood. Firewood. We need more dry firewood now. If you are enjoying this vocabulary lesson, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more English tips. Canteen. Canteen. Fill your canteen with fresh water. Boots. Boots. Wear your leather boots today. Stove. Stove. The portable stove works very well. Fuel. Fuel. Check the fuel level before cooking. Stake. Stake. Push the stake into the ground. Mallet. Mallet. Use a mallet for the stakes. Tarp. Tarp. Put a tarp under the tent. Rope. Rope. Tie the rope to the tree. Sleeping pad. Sleeping pad. The sleeping pad is quite comfortable. Pillow. Pillow. I brought a small travel pillow. Kettle. Kettle. Boil some water in the kettle. Mug. Mug. Drink hot chocolate from your mug. Skillet. Skillet. Fry the eggs in a skillet. Spork. Spork. A spork is a useful tool. Bear spray. Bear spray. Always carry bear spray in Canada. Trail. Trail. Follow the marked trail carefully. Wilderness. Wilderness. We explored the deep green wilderness. Campsite. Campsite. Our campsite has a great view. Reservation. Reservation. Did you make a campsite reservation? Kindling. Kindling. Gather small sticks for the kindling. Axe. Axe. Use an axe to chop wood. Saw. Saw. The hand saw is very useful. Multi-tool. Multi-tool. This multi-tool can fix many things. Grill. Grill. Place the sausages on the grill. Skewers. Skewers. Put the meat on the skewers. Always check the weather forecast before you leave. It is the most important step for a safe trip. Marshmallows. Marshmallows. Let's roast marshmallows over the fire. Forest. Forest. The forest is very quiet today. Mountain. Mountain. We climbed the Rocky Mountain peak. Lake. Lake. The lake water is very calm. River. River. Fish swim in the cold river. Canoe. Canoe. They paddled the canoe across water. Fishing. Fishing. My father enjoys fishing at dawn. Stargazing. Stargazing. Stargazing is better in the mountains. Constellation. Constellation. Can you find the Orion constellation? Telescope. Telescope. Look at Saturn through the telescope. Sunrise. Sunrise. The sunrise was beautiful this morning. Sunset. Sunset. Watch the sunset from the hill. Wildlife. Wildlife. Do not feed the local wildlife. Birdwatching. Birdwatching. Birdwatching requires a lot of patience. Deer. Deer. A deer ran across the path. Squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel is looking for nuts. Owl. Owl. An owl hooted in the night. Pine tree. Pine tree. The pine tree smells very fresh. Cedar. Cedar. Cedar wood burns very quickly. Oak. Oak. The old oak tree provides shade. Remember the leave no trace rule. Always take your trash back home with you to protect nature. Leaves. Leaves. The dry leaves crunch underfoot. Moss. Moss. Green moss grows on the rocks. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Some wild mushrooms are very dangerous. Berries. Berries. Do not eat these red berries. Wildflowers. Wildflowers. The wildflowers bloom in early spring. Valley. Valley. The valley is covered in fog. Ridge. Ridge. Walk slowly along the narrow ridge. Peak. Peak. We finally reached the mountain peak. Summit. Summit. The summit offers a perfect view. Canyon. Canyon. The Grand Canyon is very deep. Waterfall. Waterfall. Take a photo of the waterfall. Stream. Stream. Drink water from the clear stream. Pebble. Pebble. I found a smooth gray pebble. Sand. Sand. The sand is hot and dry. Shore. Shore. Let's walk along the lake shore. Tide. Tide. The tide comes in very quickly. Breeze. Breeze. A cool breeze feels very nice. Humid. Humid. The air is very humid today. Dry. Dry. Keep your extra clothes very dry. Warm. Warm. Wear a warm jacket at night. Chilly. Chilly. It gets chilly after the sunset. Foggy. Foggy. The morning was very cold and foggy. Misty. Misty. I love the misty mountain air. Starry. Starry. Look at the beautiful starry sky. Midnight. Midnight. It is very dark at midnight. Dress in layers. It is better to wear several thin shirts than one thick coat so you can adjust to the temperature. Dawn. Dawn. We woke up at early dawn. Dusk. Dusk. Bats come out at late dusk. Scenery. Scenery. The scenery is absolutely breathtaking here. View. View. This spot has the best view. Landscape. Landscape. The landscape is very different here. Horizon. Horizon. The sun disappeared behind the horizon. Expedition. Expedition. We are going on an expedition. Journey. Journey. Enjoy every moment of your journey. Base camp. Base camp. Meet me back at the base camp. Adventure. Adventure. Camping is always a great adventure. I hope these 100 words help you on your next big adventure. Which word was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Dream for more lessons. See you in the next video.